All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol GEVO, Gevo Inc. Before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. If you feel encouraged and inclined to subscribe, don't forget to click the bell as well so that you don't miss a single video that I post. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your efforts on helping one another and being very transparent and giving out valid information, piggybacking off of what I stated or talking about certain news that you saw. I really appreciate that when you guys do that, as well as your feedback and support. Thank you so much. And let's jump into this chart. So very bullish run here after this bearish run, dipping, leveling off, and then falling again. And here we started the day, rose quickly, rose to new highs here of 144 and quickly fell back down and leveled off at 121, slightly above the 50-day moving average, which the 50-day moving average is 119. Resistance was broken through and it fell back below it at one point down to 117 and rose back up, but that was momentarily. That wasn't for that long. That was just a moment of the day. Now that is the new support level, and our new resistance level has slightly moved a little bit up from where we were, and the bulls are going to want to break through this to continue this run above the 50-day moving average. It's very significant right now because that's what's going to let you know who's in control and who's going to maintain control in the next coming days, because the support level is 117 and the resistance is 127. If they can break through this first resistance, then the bulls are going to want to go up to 138 and start to work their way up to newer highs and break through higher resistance levels. But before 138, 127 is very significant for the bulls so they can continue this run. They need to turn this into a support and start to work their way up to newer highs and stay above the 50-day moving average, which is 119. If they can do that and pull themselves upwards away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction, break the resistance, turn into a support, they could have a bullish rally. Now, on the other hand, the bears are going to want to cross through 117. If this support gets crossed, two things got crossed: the 50-day moving average, right, of 119 and the support of 117, giving the bears more leverage and control to bring this down to newer lows. So if this does get crossed, I'd pay very close attention to it and how quickly is it moving to newer lows, because now it's in bearish territory by crossing the 50-day moving average, and it broke through the support, and it could be on its way to newer support levels and newer lows. So I'd pay very close attention. Yes, the bulls can reappear, but the bulls do not gain control even if they bring this back up through the support and they fall short of the 50-day moving average. The bulls won't have control until they break through support again and back through the 50-day moving average and continue their run to reach the resistance level so they can work their way up to newer highs and above the 50-day moving average in an upward direction. Yes, this is the bullish territory, but just being slightly above it as it is right now from 121 to 119. That's a 2 cent difference, and the tug of war is going to be very interesting to see who gains control. Are the bulls going to bring this one up towards 127, or are the bears going to cross through the 50-day moving average and break through support, which is 117? This is going to be a very interesting one for Monday. We're going to have to pay very, very close attention. I can't emphasize enough, if support gets broken through, be mindful and watchful of how it reacts. How quick is it moving down? Is it kind of leveling off? Is there a shot for the bulls to reappear? And so forth. Thank you guys so much for watching. Share this with your friends and community. Hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video. Let's make some money.